TOYO is committed to developing and providing cutting-edge tools that accelerate fundamental research within the life science industry. Our innovative solutions facilitate DNA amplification and sequencing, playing a crucial role in propelling genomic research forward. To effectively conduct single-cell genome analysis, DNA amplification is required. Amplification processes must prioritize both the quality and quantity of DNA. But traditional methods often fail. They can introduce biases that hinder analysis, or the amplification is not sufficient to support it. That's why we have created agarose gel microcapsules, or AGMs. Agarose gel microcapsules confine a sample to a small area to facilitate high-quality amplification and support single-cell genome analysis. An AGM is 30 to 100 micrometers in diameter. The agarose gel shell forms the outer layer and has a thickness of 5 to 10 micrometers. Underneath the shell is alginate sol core liquid and a single microorganism, represented here as an E. coli bacteria. The pores of an agarose gel shell have an average diameter of 100 nanometers, enabling enzymes and reagents to move freely into and out of the capsule. Here is a graphical depiction of the step-by-step method involved in producing AGMs using the components available in the TOYO AGM Reagent Kit. The kit incorporates patented technology, and the process of AGM creation is simple and reliable. The procedure commences with 3 million cells and concludes with the production of 300,000 AGMs. This visual is the protocol developed to guide you from the start point of sample collection to the end point of genome sequencing. Let's review the main benefits of AGMs. Firstly, it offers the capability of conducting whole genome analysis with minimal sample volumes. This makes it suitable for examining viable yet non-culturable microorganisms, providing unmatched versatility. Secondly, it delivers a high degree of genome completeness, surpassing what traditional methods can offer. This is important when it comes to identifying and studying previously unknown species. And lastly, AGMs are a cost-effective solution. AGM technology integrates with standard physics and chemistry equipment found in biological laboratories, and thus eliminates the need for expensive specialized equipment. Here is a comparative table of the agarose gel microcapsule method and more traditional methods of genome analysis. Across all areas, the AGM method matches or outperforms other genome analysis techniques. Notably, in the particularly critical genome completeness category, the AGM method achieves completeness rates of up to 98%, while the FACS, or fluorescence-activated cell sorting, and the PCR plate and the gel beads methods lag behind at 47% and 59% respectively. The water and oil droplet technique can achieve rates of up to 84%, but with significant variances. Displayed in this table is the degree to which amplification bias is mitigated with the AGM method in comparison to the FACS method. This visual highlights another prominent AGM advantage. Gel beads represent a competitive method, but this technique exhibits limited DNA mobility within the beads, resulting in insufficient amplification. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. To learn more about TOYO's AGM technology, please contact us directly. Enjoy the rest of your day.